Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Renuka Connects. Today we are going to learn more about oxymorons and paradoxes. Both are figures of speech which use opposites in their statements or sentences or phrases, but with a slight difference. Let's take oxymoron first. Now, oxymoron is a figure of speech in which the opposites are placed side by side. It is a contradictory statement. Now, let's take some examples first. There was deafening silence when the principal entered the classroom. There was deafening silence when the principal entered the classroom. She let out a silent scream whilst watching a horror show on TV. She let out a silent scream whilst watching a horror show on TV. The two friends share a love-hate relationship. The two friends share love-hate relationship. There was minor crisis when the milk spilled on the floor. There was minor crisis when the milk was spilled on the floor. The company uses zero tolerance policy. The company uses zero tolerance policy. What did you notice? That the opposites was placed side by side. Okay. Now oxymorons, they add or create a deeper meaning and also a dramatic effect. They add suspense, irony and comedy to literature. Let us move on to paradoxes. Now here the statement uses opposites not together side by side but in different parts of the sentence. It is a contradictory statement but may be actually true. Let us take some examples. The only thing that is constant is change. The only thing that is constant is change. You have to lose money to make money. You have to lose money to make money. Small things become bigger things, or small issues become bigger issues. You have to put in more efforts to make something seem effortless. You have to put in more efforts to make something seem effortless. You have to fail in order to succeed. You have to fail in order to succeed. Talk less to say more. Talk less to say more. You have to slow down to speed up. You have to slow down to speed up. The more we learn, we realize that we do not know much more. The more we learn, we realize that we do not know much. Isn't it all true? Now, I hope the concept of oxymorons and paradoxes is clear. Please share, like, subscribe my channel and follow me for more